are pleased to show you the 2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.